Hello friends, welcome to Dipansh Video Time, and today I'm gonna show you 2 steps of how to change your player's position or how to move the player. So the first step, take out one flag click, take a forever block from the control section, take a forever block from the control section, take in 4 if blocks, go to sensing, keys, press up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, oops, up down arrow, up arrow, duplicate this, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. And then after that, go to motion, change X by 10 for the right arrow, change Y by 10 for the up arrow, then duplicate the change Y by and put it in the down arrow, change it to -10. Same for the right arrow, but just put it in the left arrow and change it for -10. Great. And now when you press the flag, the cat can now move. But we don't want it to start in the position we left it in the before when we tried. So I am gonna press 0. Oops. 0, 0. Then it will go to the middle. Then we can move the player around again. This is the second way you can do it. So the second way, the first step. Take out 4 when key pressed from the event section. So duplicate this one, duplicate it again, duplicate it again. Put up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, and right arrow. Oops. Okay, right arrow. And then put it in the respective places. After you do it, you can delete the when flag click script. And then when you see Scratch Cat can now move without even pressing the keys. Or should I say the when flag? Great, so now cat can move. So if you come this far, thanks for watching Dipansh Video Time. And then till next time, Scratch is the best.